Attention Tanger Club members, don't forget to log on to Tanger Outlets.
He knows your pain. I buckle him in.
I said it was down. Is it up or down? It's back up. I'm so confused. Sorry, go ahead.
So confused.
Go!